Hey, hi friends. Banning Chinese product or service is trending everywhere, all over the world. So people just want to get rid of China from their senses. They don't want to hear the name of China for any reason whatsoever it is. So I would say it's fair because the way they are leading, the kind of stories we know about China, the way their government and everything, when you put them together, I think it's fair to do that. In that direction, when I see the entire scenario, I was thinking, what is the benefits that we could reap in this present situation? See, lockdown has put it into a backstage, I understand. But is there a way to make it up or something that we could do when this lockdown is open, So, okay, first of all, I'm Praveen Bhandari, business branding specialist from Mumbai. So what I thought is, see, understand this. So if at all we are able to say no to Chinese product or service, which we are definitely do, in that scenario, there is a huge possibility for our businesses to come in the forefront and reach out to the world. When this opportunity comes, everybody in business fraternity will try and grab this opportunity and start producing goods and services so that they can go out and sell their product, so they can expand their business, they can reach out. I agree, that's what you should be doing. You should not be, missing on that opportunity. But what is more important is, when you are scaling this up, set your foundation right. That's what I want to say here. Set your foundation right. What do you mean by setting the foundation right? Have your core values, have your brand right. See, now there will be a lot of competition which is going to happen if this really going to, if everybody took this as an opportunity and people go out there and perform and try to go global, then there will be huge competition around. And India being big country and a lot of people and open for everybody to do anything that they want to do in terms of business, yes. So there will be, a lot of a competition. If you really don't want to get into the competition and want to make your own way out there to reach out to the global audience, then you should be carrying some standard in your product or service. See, now when slowly, when you position yourself in a right way, when you position yourself in a right way, what will happen is, you stand for something with your product or service. You stand either for quality or for the value or for volume or for fast service or something that beyond the benefits of your product or service, some ethical values that you stand for. What do you want to stand for? That's something you need to make clear. That's where you should be designing, or you should be coming out with a right mindset, right foundation, right brand for your product or service. I think this is very, very important. Once you have this, then when you scale it up, then when you go with that standard brand, when you go out there with the standard positioning, when you go out there with the standard way of doing business, there's a higher chances of sustainability. Otherwise, everybody will start. Everybody will push themselves to reach the market, but only few will succeed. Only reason is they were not prepared. They don't have the right foundation to start where they need to start from. So my request is, make sure, don't just jump into it. Make sure your foundation is right. Make sure your brand is right. Then you reach out to the people. Then this is a good time for you to spend time on developing your own brand. Do that, whether it's personal or business or any, just work on positioning yourself the right way. Thank you guys. If you really like this video, I really request you to share this to as many people as you could, so that every business person, every fellow entrepreneurs could get help from this video and they prepare themselves for the same. Yeah, wish you all the best. I really want you to go out there and explore and make this situation or make the best out of this opportunity that we are going to get. All the best. Good luck.